everyone, welcome to Thundercast Fun Time, and today we are going to be doing some fun experiments you can do at home. Let's get to it. So the first experiment we're going to be doing is making oobleck. If you guys don't know what oobleck is, it's like a liquid, like if you hold it in your hands, it's like a solid, but then if you let it go, it flows down like a liquid. So these are the ingredients that we're going to use to make oobleck. We're going to need some food coloring. We're going to need some water. You're going to need a cup and some cornstarch. Let's get started making oobleck. First, you pour some cornstarch into a cup. So you need 1 cup of cornstarch. The next step is to pour some water into the cornstarch. So pour little by little. Don't pour too much, otherwise it will become really watery. So let's pour a little more over here and over here. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, next we have to take some food coloring. And then I chose red, so it kind of would look like pink. So let's pour some in. Oh my god, it already feels like oobleck. So if you guys can see this, if you do this, it's like a solid, literally, but then when you let it go, it's like a liquid. Wow, that's really cool. So let's keep mixing and we'll see how it turns out at the end. So it turned into this color and it's like a light pink and I really like the color. So it's turned into a really nice color and I really like it. So a little more about oobleck. When you apply pressure to it, it becomes like a solid, like a rock. And then when you let it go, look what happens. It turns into literally like a liquid, which is really cool. If you guys are wondering about the science, like how this happens, oobleck is a non-Newtonian liquid. And a non-Newtonian liquid means it does not follow Newton's law of viscosity. Newton's law of viscosity, you're probably wondering what that is. For example, you verse syrup versus water. Syrup would have a higher viscosity because it is more thick. So technically what viscosity means is how water or liquid flows. It actually kind of looks like slime. I've made slime many times before in my other videos and it looks actually a lot like slime. But maybe when you hold it, it's harder than slime, and when you let it go, it's more like water, so slime is kind of in the middle. The second experiment we're going to be doing is the volcano. The things you'll need for this experiment, a piece of brown construction paper, a tray, some vinegar, a bottle, baking soda, a cup, and food coloring. Let's get started. So the first step is to put a bottle in the middle of your tray, get some baking soda, and if you guys don't have a funnel at home, you can always just make a cone out of paper and use it as a funnel. There we go. And let's add some baking soda in. And the funnel works. So now I'm going to take the funnel out, baking soda's all in, and I'm just going to add some color so it looks like lava. I'm going to add some red and yellow so it will become like orange. We can add more later if we need to. And yellow. Let's move on to the next step. So take your brown construction paper from earlier. You're going to fold it into a cone-like shape. So this represents the mountain. that a volcano is on, and then you can just tape it over here so it doesn't unravel, and put it in your bottle. Put it on your bottle. So now I put the tape on, and now since it looks like really wonky, you're gonna cut it so it's straight and it looks like an actual mountain. We made our volcano, and it looks really cool. It looks like an actual mountain. We taped it down so it won't like fall over. And now the next step we have to do is pour the vinegar, and that's when it erupts. Oh, guys, that's so cool! Whoa, it erupted like a real volcano. That's so cool. It looks like real lava. Wow. So if you guys want to know the science behind the volcano, how it happens is when you pour in the vinegar and baking soda, what happens is it forms a gas called carbon dioxide. You probably heard of it because we breathe carbon dioxide out. We breathe it out. And then when the carbon dioxide, it can't spread, it just goes up because that's the only place it can go, so it can spread out. It goes up, and then that causes the thing to erupt. So guys, I hope you like these experiments. Thanks for watching. Give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!